How to delete CJ affiliate account. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your CJ affiliate account step by step. Let's get started. Open cj.com and log in with your username and password. Make sure you have no pending payments or active campaigns before closing your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. CJ Affiliate doesn't have a direct delete button. You'll need to submit a support request. Click Support or Contact Us, then select Account Closure as the reason. Fill out the form and confirm your request. CJ's team will review your request and send an email once your account is permanently closed. And that's it. Your CJ Affiliate account will be deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.